Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to select multiple elements in Canva using your Canva application on your mobile device. So let's get started. Open your Canva application first and make sure you open up a design where you want to make multiple selections. Here I'm opening up a design where I have multiple elements in it. Now, in order to activate the multiple selection, go ahead and tap and hold an element you want to select. After doing so, in the bottom of the screen, tap on Select Multiple. Now you can tap other elements as well, where you will be able to select them at once. Now you can easily drag and move all the selected elements together. If you want to group the elements together, you can now tap on the Group button and then you can go ahead and edit the elements. Selecting multiple elements is especially useful for managing complex designs efficiently and maintaining consistency. So that's how you easily select multiple elements at once in Canva. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.